They are one of the most common, destructive, and deadly natural disasters globally. Imagine heavy rain relentlessly pouring down, and then suddenly, a loud crash jolts you. You rush to the window only to witness a powerful surge of water, devouring everything in its path, trees, cars, and even buildings. But here's the real deal. Floods are not just a passing inconvenience. Rushing water is 1,000 times the density of air, making flash floods extremely dangerous and deadly. So how do you make your house floodproof? Why is it crucial to stay out of the water at all costs? With the right knowledge and preparation, you can increase your chances of staying safe. Stick around because today, we're breaking down the essentials of flood survival that could save your life. How to survive a flood. First, making a flood survival plan. If you live in high-risk or coastal areas, it's crucial to have a flood survival plan. Choose meeting spots, like a friend's place or a local shelter. Make sure everyone knows these locations. Pack an emergency kit with food and water for 3 days, 3 gallons per person. Second, escaping flood waters. Flash floods can be unpredictable. When evacuating, every minute counts. When it's time to go, leave everything behind. Follow local emergency instructions. Climb to a high floor in a building using stairs, not elevators. Remember, turn around, don't drown. Children and pets stay out of the water. Use a stick to measure water depth and feel for stable ground. Don't drive around barricades, and if stuck in water, open windows for escape. Protecting your home. Get flood insurance if possible. Install a sump pump and maintain its backup. Disconnect utilities during potential floods. Take care of valuables before flooding starts. Stay informed through local news or weather channels. Listen to radio stations for updates. Watch out for dangerous areas like drainage channels and canyons prone to flash floods. Be cautious with flooded buildings, they can collapse. Avoid entering structures surrounded by flood water. If you smell gas, leave immediately. Don't use candles until gas lines are secure. Document damage for insurance claims, disaster assistance, and tax deductions. Returning to normal after a flood requires caution and planning. Stay safe, stay informed, and follow these simple steps. Thanks for watching and take care.